My name is Geoffrey Pot. I'm responsible for the manufacturing site in Belgium, located in Lessines. It's a plasma manufacturing site that is making products based on plasma for patients worldwide. We did a lot at the manufacturing site, so it's not a work of one person, it's a work of all the employees, 1,200 employees that day by day are working on environment sustainability. This can be related to just like reducing the water consumption. So today we have reduced the water consumption by 1 million liters per day. We have also been reducing the carbon footprint at the site. Today we have a reduction already of almost 80% of carbon reduction compared to our baseline. And we are working on much more projects. The water recycling project was a very important project for the site at Lessines. We were actually the first biotech company worldwide to use that technology and to recycle our water. So what is happening is that after water is treated in the wastewater treatment station, in the past it would have gone to the river, but now instead of going to the river, we use some technology, reverse osmosis and ultrafiltration, to actually reuse our water in our manufacturing processes. And today we are recycling and we are reducing our water consumption and the city water consumption already by 50%. And this is 1 million liter savings of water per day. So 1 million liter savings water per day. This is just amazing. And I'm also very pleased to tell you that recently we received the IPSE Award in the social impact category. This really shows on how we are an example and a leader in the sustainability aspect.